Welcome, guys. I don't know why my hair looks so weird today. It looks so cute yesterday. I don't know what the deal is, but anyway. I have friends that are like, I must be stressed. My hormones are doing their thing. But I thought about getting on here and just playing with makeup. And I might as well go ahead and do a foundation test. I don't know if this thing is still even around. I got this a long time ago. It's the Tarte Foundcealer, and what they have on their website is the Tarte Babassu Foundcealer Skincare Foundation, or SPF 20, which seems to be the same thing, but I don't know because the packaging is really different. Anyhow, this is way too dark for me. This is what happens when you go to Sephora or even Ulta, because they always end up matching you completely wrong, and I don't understand why. It doesn't make any sense to me. So today all I have on my face is this. I don't know why, I just felt like it. And which I'm sure you guys know, the Tarte Foundcealer, if it is the same exact formula, it might have been changed. It claims to be first ever vegan skincare foundation. I don't know if that's true. Moisturizer, concealer, foundation, SPF in one, clinically hydrates and helps skin appear plumper. Or what my face looks like, okay? Let's see here. Ultra Nourishing Babassu. I don't think I have that on here or in here, but they claim that it gives skin a youthful glow, which I already have. Coverage, never cakey or dry. Natural radiant finish for healthy looking skin. Protects with non-chemical sunscreen filters, which is bullshit, because if you really want to protect yourself with SPF, you need 1/4 teaspoon for your face and 1/4 teaspoon for your neck, so that's 1/2 teaspoon for both. So you do not put enough of this on your face to warrant that, or to protect your skin. So that's a load of shit. So they claim that 100% saw improvement in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles after 10 days of use. 90% agree that it's like makeup and skincare combined. The coverage is customizable. It feels comfortable all day. It's easy to use on the go. Of course, on the website it says it's IA. Clinical results. Clinically proven to hydrate skin. Improves the appearance of skin's texture. Vegan, dermatologist tested. Now, you'll have to go to Dr. Natalia's Instagram to see what this means, and you'll have to scroll through quite a bit to find what dermatologist tested means. It's not what you think it means. In other words, we sent this out to a bunch of dermatologists and some of them liked it. Doesn't mean anything. Non-comedogenic, nothing is comedogenic, unless of course you're going to leave something on your skin for 15 or more days, I think she said it was. Then you'll find, I'm just looking outside and noticing that it's really cloudy all of a sudden. Dark clouds too. That there's no such thing. That's another marketing gimmick. Non-comedogenic and comedogenic is a marketing gimmick. So skin invigorating ingredients. Again, I don't know what the ingredients are on this or in this. So mine might be a little bit different, but even so, I'm sure that Babassu helps nourish, moisturize, and smooth is a load of crap. Hyaluronic acid retains moisture and hydrates. Yes and no. Mainly no. Sunflower seed helps to regenerate and condition. Vitamin E, natural preservative that also acts as an emollient and antioxidant. For most people, vitamin E, especially if you're like me and you have combination skin, I really don't like the way my hair looks. Even if you have combination skin, you know what? Hang on a second. I can't deal with this. Well, that's a little bit better. What ended up happening, and I know that's why I hate doing that, I ended up putting this in my hair at the wrong time, right in between my hair being almost dry and slightly wet, so damp, but a little bit less than damp, just to put on, or just to apply this, and then I left it on a little too long. So that's what my hair does, which is a new thing for me because my hair sticks straight. For someone who has, well, it's probably the German. I don't even have German in me. That's the thing that kills me. Ugh, whatever. Anyway, so yeah, even though this is too dark, I want to try this and see if any of what they claim is true. And I remember saying videos of, or reviews of people not impressed with this. But again, this is probably the old formula. God damn, that's dark. Look how dark that is. So let's see. I don't know if I want to do this. Oh yeah, that's dark. Well, hey, if it can cover that pimple, I'll be impressed. Oh yeah, that's really dark. I almost wonder, well, I don't want to alter the I was gonna add my, I like this. This is normally what I use now, and I usually just put it in the red areas and then I just spread it out this way so that it's fading out. I love this, and it's like fucking pale as fuck. I don't know if you can see how pale it is, but let me see. Oh yeah, there it is. See? That's white. That's how pale I am. So let's see. Let's see. This feels like it might be too damp, but that's okay. Oh, Lord. Oh my God, that is really dark. I need to get that stuff to lighten foundations where it doesn't actually alter. I'm sure it still somewhat does, but it doesn't really alter the formula. Well, maybe I put just enough to, oh no, that didn't, I need more. Maybe I should take a little bit from here. I love sponges. I hate brushes for foundation. I think, at least for my skin, they suck. Wow, I've got a lot today. I don't know what the, wow, this is a really ugly color for me. God, is it yellow? Oh yeah, that's like, ugh. I'm glad I'm not going anywhere. As you can see, it's actually a chilly day here in the lovely state I live in. I think I need a little bit more just for my nose. God, that's dark. It is really, really dark. And yellow. Oh, it's, you guys probably can't tell because I've got natural light coming in, but even so, you should be able to. Do you see? Let's put it this way. I look like this. I know you can't see it. Yeah, you can't. I look like this. Just a little less opaque. I'm going to tap a little bit here and see that this is supposedly a concealer because it's a foundation sealer. I'm going to apply it here. Especially since it's such a difference in my skin tone. God. Oh, I left some on my forehead. I'm kind of afraid of even doing this with my hair right now because it's literally just dried, and when it's just dried, it'll take any stupid, ugly bend and just look doofy. Oh yeah, this looks bad. But I shouldn't say, okay, the color looks bad on me. I mean, even when I was darker and tan, I didn't look like this. Okay, so I have my face on. I decided to use the Maybelline Intense Charcoal Tattoo Liner for my eyes. And I just smudged it with this, and whatever was left I put underneath. And then on, I tried this contour this time. I fucking hate these little brushes. But I tried this one right here from the Profusion contour palette, and I don't know what shade it is. As you guys know, I put this on my cheeks. I put this on my lips, which is by a brand called Italia Deluxe. On my eyes, I just did some plain old Anastasia Clear brow gel, which, what else did I do? I had, yeah, that's it. I think that's all I did. So this is just the lip pencil. And I thought, you know, why not? I'll just go ahead and put a little bit of this so you guys can see. So if I want some shine, there I go. Although I don't like the way it altered the lip color. I noticed that it made it a little bit redder. But I really do like this shade for just a plain and simple natural lip. On my eyes, I have the usual bareMinerals Flawless Definition and Volumizing, which is, of course, Discontinued. I have one that I'm going to be trying out, which I'm going to show you guys in my, or I showed you guys, hopefully, in my, yeah, these are definitely out of order. Fuck. Oh well. In my Amazon mini Prime Day haul. It was really small. I just got a bunch of stuff that I thought that I could use. So I will be checking in about 5 hours. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, and just so you know, it is still creasing even though I said it. It's creasing here. It's creasing here. This, of course, didn't work. It's creasing everywhere. It's not looking bad on the skin, though, except for the creasing. Yeah, so far it's looking good. So we'll see. See you guys soon. Hey guys. So, again, this is for the Tarte Foundcealer. And even though it's like really creasing all around my eyes, it's not really creasing here. It's like that calmed down. And what I do like is that it hasn't really clung to, like this right here for me is a really dry, irritated, not irritated, but it's like that hormonal area that's just like really hard to, I guess, maintain. And normally this is where like the most of my foundations cling, and it's not clinging. I mean, you see a little bit, but nothing like usual. It's not crazy. And I don't see it breaking down anywhere. It doesn't really look like it's here anymore, which is weird because I didn't put my hands on my face. And the forehead seems to be fine. It's not even, wow, it's not even really oily, which I like. I like that a lot. So far it's wearing well. It is definitely, I don't know if you can see that. No, you can't see that. There's a lot here. So just like the eyes, it's really collecting right there. Oh yeah, you can really see it right here. But other than that, it looks good. And I like the way that it does like somehow get a glow. I just don't like the fact that it isn't very, well, I only applied one drop. I didn't try to build it up or anything. Not that I like my makeup that way anyway. So it's not bad. The only thing that I really don't like, again, is the difference in tone, because of course Sephora does not know how to give people proper shades or tone. So yeah, I like it. It's been a little over 4 hours, so not bad. Not bad. This one I'm definitely impressed by, except for the creasing. I'm not really happy about the creasing around the eyes because it looks pretty bad. I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off so that when I check in again for the last time, we'll see how it's still faring. Oh, and for some reason there's some right here. I don't know what that's about. So, yep. Let's just check back in one more, I don't know, 4 more hours or something, and see how it looks. Alrighty. Hey guys. So it is, I don't even know what time. It's late. It's dark outside. I'm tired as hell. It did, of course, come off in all the areas that you would expect. It's still creasing even though I wiped everything down. I'll actually put this closer so you guys can, yeah, see, they're still creasing, and I wiped all that off. So, oops, my forehead is just, yeah, it's slightly oily, which took a while. Took a good probably 7-8 8 hours, but yeah, that's pretty oily. I don't know if you can see that. So I would definitely say 6 hours wear time. It doesn't look bad. I would actually love to see this in my actual shade and maybe try building it up to see what kind of coverage it has, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I expected it to be absolute crap, but I'm gonna try it again. I'm gonna see what ends up happening. I'm gonna try something else other than this as my base, and yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it plays with like where is it? This right here, the Cover FX blurring. We'll see how it works with the Glossy Bomb and a few of the other primers that I have. Even I don't really like the what is this one here? I don't really like the Milk primer, but we'll try that too. Maybe it'll last longer with this. I don't know. I didn't like the way this felt. I only used it like once or twice, but I'll try it again, you know? So, yep. And I didn't put any setting spray, so I can also, you know, do that next time. A setting spray, see if it'll last longer. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what else, if there's anything else that you suggest me trying. I do have a couple of more by Terry. Hopefully I should have the primer soon. But yeah, see you guys later.